Hi guys, this is Khushboo. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do eye makeup tutorial for every beginners out there, and this is appropriate for every occasion, like if you're going in some wedding ceremony, if you're attending some party, college party, and anywhere you can carry this. So basically, as you can see, I'm already done with my base and I've already applied lipstick, which I'm already loving because this is Kylie Jenner's all-nighter lipstick and I'm just so loving this shade. I don't need any sort of makeup after this, but due to the sake of this video I have to take it further. So let's just quickly begin with this video and let me show you how to do this amazing dramatic eye makeup tutorial. गाइस, इस मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल को करने के लिए मैं जैकलिन हिल पैलेट का यूज़ करने वाली हूँ. सो दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. दिस पैलेट इज़ एवरीथिंग. दिस पैलेट इज़ जस्ट सो अमेजिंग. यू कैन क्रिएट एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ आई मेकअप फ्रॉम दिस because this palette just includes hell lot of amazing colors that you will like. These colors are just so good. This product is something which has everything that you need. So you can see that I'm going to do a dramatic makeup with this shade called Twerk. So this is Twerk shade, and then I'm going to use Butter. This is Butter shade. These duo I'm going to create a really good makeup.
Looking past my reflection, thinking about what you mentioned. It was supposed to be the one to take every last pain away. Nothing on our loving. Maybe time told us that we were different. Did it break you down? Staring at the ceiling, fighting off a feeling. One more minute 'cause I